folks, this is Dane at JONAH Guitars, and just out in the shop here. I thought I'd do a little intro to a video that you're about to see. It's Zac Angle from Micro Mystics Music. I built the ZAC-O-CASTER for him, and he has taken the time to do a video of some explanation of what he asked for in the guitar, and then he also does some playing. I'll tell you, if you don't want to hear all the explanation about what the guitar can do, how he wanted it wired, certain specifics about the guitar, just skip forward to the playing. I want you to miss him playing. He does a really great job of demoing the guitar, and I'll put a little note there in the footnotes that you can just scroll right to that if you don't want to hear all the talking. It's not going to be a long video, so you may as well hang out and see what he has to say about it. He's very complimentary, and it's almost embarrassing how complimentary he is. But go ahead and watch, and hope you enjoy. Take care.
Hey everybody, it's Zach with Micro Mystic Music, and today we're going to review and demo this custom-built guitar by JONAH Guitars, also known as the ZAC-O-CASTER. All right, here we go. Right, so here we are at the ZAC-O-CASTER. As you can see, it's got a glorious finish, which is a nitrocellulose lacquered. I asked Dane, is that possible? He said, sure. I'll set that up for you, no problem. Well, it went above and beyond my expectations. This finish is absolutely phenomenal. It's already starting to wear, which is something I really wanted to have happen. I want this guitar to have me in it. Anyway, very, very great work. As far as this guitar goes, it's basically a '69 Stratocaster that's been enhanced. And what we have is, as you can see, a 2-point tremolo. It's got the treble bleed, push-pull right here. Circuitry, we've got '69 era pickups with a reverse wound middle pickup, 250K pots, wired per 60 specs, black pick guard, age white volume tone and pickup covers, a shielded cavity, truss rod access at the body, as you can see, the maple neck, 9.5 radius, 21 medium jumbo frets, bone nut, and a large headstock. And speaking of the headstock, look what Dane did. He was able to get the font for the appropriate era Stratocaster and put his label on there. JONAH Guitars, Custom Deluxe 69, the original ZAC-O-CASTER. And as you can also see, we've got these vintage tuners which are staggered. Absolutely fantastic. This guitar plays like a dream, it sounds like a dream, it looks like a dream, and it is a dream because it's my dream guitar. So anyway, as far as the specific specs about what kind of pickups and what kind of tremolo system and all that kind of stuff, Dane will be able to answer those questions. But from a player's perspective, these are absolutely top-notch components on an absolutely top-notch crafted guitar. All right, a few more things I wanted to go over as far as the specs on this guitar that I didn't really anticipate, which is awesome. Dane went ahead and got some strap locks that are awesome because I love to move the guitar around when I'm playing and I don't want it to pop off. So that was something I hadn't thought of, but Dane knew about, and he provided that. Another thing that I asked for, which I was just blown away that he was able to do, there's no skunk stripe. So that means that's nice maple. Look at that, you woodworkers. Look what he did there. Flawless. The shape of this neck too. It fits my hand perfectly. I can't even express how comfortable this thing is, and it's just amazing. And then the last thing that Dane did, and I asked him to do this, I requested that he please do this. He needed to be seen here. This guy is, imagine if you ran into Leo Fender in 1954 and were like, yo man, can you make me a guitar? And he was like, sure. So thanks, Dane. All right, we've got a handcrafted alder body, maple neck guitar with hand wound vintage pickups. How does it sound? Glorious, if you ask me. but let's find out. Here's the tones. All right, neck pickup. Out of phase. Middle. Out of phase. And finally the bridge. All right, so as you hear, that's the bridge pickup, right? So this is another cool thing that I forgot to mention. This is how cool Dane is. He's got all kinds of tricks. Basically, when I first got this back from him, I didn't ask for this, he just did it because he's awesome like that. And it's like this, the middle pickup tone knob actually worked on the bridge as well. I said, hey, I like to do something a little different than that. Can we make the neck pickup work on the bridge? And he said, yes, no problem. So check this out. The neck, we roll it back, and here we have the bridge. So let's try it on one. Same thing. Here we go. I don't think I'd ever run it on one. I just wanted to give the compare and contrast. What a neat little trick that is. So, next, stay tuned for how this bad boy sounds in a musical context as far as a band goes. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. Backing track, D minor. A little bit of overdrive, a little bit of delay. greatest guitar I've ever played, handmade for me. I can't express the joy that it brings into words. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and Dane, thank you again, my friend. This is such a dream to play. I'm so honored to have been able to work with you, and I wish you so well in your guitar endeavors and all of your endeavors, my friend. And everybody watching, I wish you well in all your endeavors as well. God bless everybody. Thanks for watching.
And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks, Zach, for all the really nice things you had to say about it, and for great playing on the demo. Appreciate it, buddy. That's just it's really great that not only in the YouTube community, but also on forums and in person, when you get to build a guitar for somebody like Zach that just appreciates it so much. And we building great friendships through all of this and music in general. And so thanks for watching. I've got some other stuff still, even on the ZAC-O-CASTER build. I've got lots of video that hasn't been put up yet. Also on the GGBO guitar, build off. Do not have most of that video up, so we'll be putting up snippets of certain aspects of the builds. And continuing on, I've got a very, very early national lap steel here on the bench right now. Well, hey, thanks once again for watching. Take care and carry on bravely.